Let's guys, Game Coded, and today we're doing an unboxing of the Haze 7. So finally this is here. I am so excited. So this cube was supposed to come out so long ago, and then it got delayed 2 months, and then it got delayed another month, and then another 2 weeks. But it's finally here, so that's all that matters. Let's check this cube out. One thing I would like to say is that you shouldn't kill it with the packaging. Like, look at this box. You have a little outline of the Haze, created for record breaking, which it has done a lot of. Yeah, Haze 7. And then just open it up. And there's the cube. Extra magnets, Kevin Haze. But now what we're finally waiting for is the cube. Okay, so you can see a little Haze logo right there. And we'll just get right into it. Alright, there's some stuff on it right now. Feels really light, really small. Like, it feels like a 6x6 in my hands. Alright, let's see some first turns. What? Now that's amazing. That's really good. Okay, never mind. Yeah, no, that's really great. I think it's a little bit sluggish because I still need to break it in. But like, compared to my Luigi, it doesn't even come close. Like, this is so much better than my Luigi. Now, there are so many magnets inside this cube because it is a 7x7. And sometimes it does seem to get in the way of my turns. Like, definitely for the second layer. It does feel a little bit sluggish because of those magnets. But like, overall, all of those sides are really fast. I think there's a small problem with, like, maybe I'm trying to just turn these two and it turns the third layer also. Like, that seems to happen sometimes. See, I'm just holding these 2 layers and then it moves the third layer as well. So we'll see how that is. Most likely going to make a full review of this cube, but there's so much hype over this cube just because of how many world records have been broken, and I'm giving into the hype. I'm really excited to see what times I get with this cube. It's been a long time since I've done 7x7. Like, as you guys know, I love doing big cubes. Like, I love 5x5, I love 6x6, but I don't really get the chance to solve much 7x7 because I don't have a good one. But hopefully this cube could change that, and I'm excited to start solving with it. Alright, that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.